Alright, what's up, y'all? My name is KO. I'm here about to unbox this shit. I did just buy the Govee lights, as you can see right there, and then right there as well. I can control these lights with my phone. So if I wanted to change any type of color, I can change it. I can make it white. I can make it blue. You know, I can make it go to the music, like the beat. Fire. Fire. Wait till the beat drop. Hold on. Oh, it ain't drop. It's cool. I fuck with that. Anyway, this is another light, and it got words on it. I don't know if you can see that. Alright, anyway, back to this. We're about to unbox this right now. Thank you for sending this to me, even though you didn't send it to me. I had to buy it. It's like $80 at Walmart. You can get it yourself too. But let's open it right now. Okay? It has